curious. Each child peeking through a gap in the fence, every scientist hunting for an answer, and all the lovers staring up at the sky. While dreaming or while searching, we have always turned to the night sky, filled with the wonder of a billion stars and the infinite space around us. All of us look up, but how many of us can capture it, frame it, bring it home, and share it?
Now, you can capture space in the palm of your hand. That's why we made Tiny1, the world's smallest, smartest, and most social astronomy camera. With the Tiny1, you can capture the night skies like never before. You no longer have to worry about expensive equipment or advanced photography knowledge. Just point and shoot.
We developed proprietary noise reduction technology that allows you to effectively improve image quality over various environmental conditions without sacrificing on image fidelity. This, coupled with a powerful sensor, fits in this sleek and compact form factor. That means that the Tiny1 sees better at night and fits perfectly in your pocket.
We programmed an augmented reality star map to help you locate planets and constellations easily. The Tiny1 is also compatible with all the lenses out there and even telescopes. Oh, did we mention? It takes selfies too. It connects seamlessly to your smartphone and allows direct sharing to your favorite social media. So the Tiny1 is not just about the night sky, it's about you. Like Neil deGrasse Tyson said, "When I look up at the night sky, I know that we are part of this universe. We are in this universe, but more importantly, the universe is within us."
We want you to not only be able to see the infinite expanse of the universe, but to be able to capture it in a way you rarely get a chance to. We have been working on the Tiny1 for the past 2 years to make astrophotography easy and accessible to all. Now we need your help to bring Tiny1 into production and into the hands of every curious explorer.